They don't break again. On that Friday, they don't reach another time for our time when between they call our program Good Morning from Benin. They don't reach again. Coronavirus is still there around. They never come out. The only thing to do: wash your hands regularly, wear face mask, keep safe distance, and make sure say yes, you stay inside the house. Well, it's not big to stay inside house, because federal government don't talk and say you know go do lockdown because you know where it be say it draws go back that time. But all the same, other federal government do their own, you know, do it their own, make you do your own. Stay safe. You don't get anybody who be in a federal government picking. You don't get anybody who be in a state government picking or a local government picking. The most important thing is say you be human being who God give life. Protect the life when we say give you. Life you don't get duplicates. You don't get photocopy. If you photocopy your own, keep somewhere. My own, I don't photocopy and put anywhere. My name is Thomas Sado. I say welcome back to our program, Good Morning from Benin. Maybe Victor, Rio, good morning. Maybe you get photocopy of your life.
Nobody they get photocopy of life now.
And my mom know that woman say, oh, go to where?
Yes.
So, Elario, good morning.
Good morning, my
I should the last time I shake your hand, don't be like this again. So I should say that the photocopy of you like this. So.
Even if you get photocopy, my brother, photocopy one day never ever be like original.
Yeah.
So if you resemble original, our governor for not just go court at the time where they carry and go say a photocopy and you understand. So now what I fit describe it like that. Now be that if you get photocopy of your life, it can never be like the original.
Okay, thank God say we all agree say life when you get duplicated. But the most important thing is say the one when we say God give us now.
We will guide them jealously.
Protect time and all of that. Talking about COVID-19 and this NIN registration, federal government they really fight and so. We just want to say that everybody must go register for the NIN. When we see the crowd, they food there. Maybe you take out from there.
The cry don't dey everywhere. People don't dey talk say wetin dey happen for this country. Comedians online, those our children wey go to do laugh skits, they don't use us play. Then there is no day where you go enter YouTube where you not go see one drama
on that COVID-19
on COVID-19 matter and NIN matter. Okay. So when comedians come out like this, the truth of the matter we say we the movie industry of any country, they act wetin the country be.
Or the entertainment industry.
The entertainment industry of any country, they do wetin the country be. So that is what we are getting right now. At times we dey reason whether our leaders, whether na the way we as citizens they think, na in them they think. Nobody they dispute the fact now say COVID-19 not there because it don't show for our eyes. Scientists also tell us say the advantage we will get now we weather. So we thank God for that one. But that is not to say one or two persons never get time inside Nigeria. We go make us to say yes, this thing are real. The former speaker at those State House of Assembly, Oga Okie, he come here one of those Fridays, come testify, say, if not be God,
the story for different.
The story for different. Which person mouth again? Which responsible Nigerian mouth again? We want make we hear am before we go believe. Or a dope person we want make we hear am before we go believe. The citizens of this country, Edo, to be more specific, we dey obey laws, we dey obey rules. When government say do am, we dey do am. But we don't also see now say government they take the citizens of this country for a ride.
You never tell me that right, how it be?
They play with us. We don't also see now say they just want to continuously they engage us on one activity or the other, forgetting the pandemic wey don dey ravage the entire globe. My brother, make we not tell ourselves lies. The federal government of Nigeria, they need to come out and tell us what they do.
This matter when we say
you cannot tell us that there is COVID-19, that we should maintain social distancing, that churches should not even hold. Because the way they come they look this thing, they come like say, now the Christian body or the religious body, they target one area of this country. And the activity so far, it don't they glare for our eyes. Say,
now what religious they happen with that. How they talk to what do they call that? The Christendom or Christianity. I say to talk to people who do the other religion.
I say religious bodies.
Because if you look at
I don't say Christian. I say religious body. You don't understand. And when you don't tell religious body is either don't congregate or maintain social distancing. More not come together. More not sit down for church at all or make una space una self. We don't also see administration of churches across the globe, across Edo State. Then they adhere to this protocol strictly. So why will the same federal government? Why will the same federal government now come and say, make we go get NIN number? Last week when we talk this matter, we ask, say, of what immediate importance? What is the rationale behind this whole matter now? Where we say, if this NIN matter not fit wait, Nigeria will collapse. They want use and write our name for heaven. The NIN number, they want give out to angels for heaven, make they take collect all the people within Nigeria, say, may all this one enter. Or they want use and give us visa to come up for this country.
Before we go, we will talk so much on that one. The question that they ask, Brian Rio, I want me to put him out for this one. Now, they say the time when they give procedures so time. Number one. Number two, everybody they rush to go there because they want beat that time. Number three, they notice them on Rio. Now, the people when they even do the thing, they say they don't get enough equipment to work with. Like the whole of Ego. When they say if you go, they see over 500 people there at once. They only have 2 machines. I don't get the magic what they go do. How they want to say people go register for money till night. What if you register over maybe 1,800 in one day?
Not at all.
If federal government say they fight this thing, or they want me federal government, make people get her, why they don't give them more equipment? Because that's not what the people they complain about. The NIN staff or NIMC staff, NIMC, they say they don't get enough this thing to do it. And secondly, where is the rush where they will do like you talk now?
Yes.
You get what the worry that they do. Very no verse. I said that question I want to ask you, but let's me go see comment for this thing. Now look this matter. If you see who no get NIN, you no go get phone when say go they use because you get to synchronize them. If not, what people when don't get phone before, they're not supposed to get national number. Some people they when we say like me or me myself and my family, all of us get to don't do our own for long. I'll still come to that one. People will not get phone. That means they're not supposed to capture them. Number one. Now tell me, is it not possible this national identity number? What is the difference between him and the National Population Commission? I don't know whether it makes sense.
It makes sense.
Because now they see something yesterday.
For Edo North.
I don't say don't they demarcate houses.
Exactly, for counting.
You understand? So I see all of those words. I call the one that say what did happen. And if not lastly or monthly, I want to ask, what about at the time my brother just started Sydney in your race in the Shaka? I said, what about diplomats when they come this country? What about tourists when they come this country?
When they use phones.
When they use phones, they're not going to use their phones.
No.
What about people when we say experts will just call, they say, come and do work.
Exactly.
Yeah, they do the work for them. They're not going to make up. I have been privileged to leave this country. Not be once, not be twice.
Of course.
You understand? And when I go to those countries, I buy their line.
Just put on for phone immediately, it start functioning.
You understand?
When the NIN, when you take register
for there.
The same
so
for
I
there.
buy the, I just take me, unless me person, now wait till I know now they talk, unless person they want me to work on tell me more, say, no, so it be, no, so it be. Because that place I register. They just give me my phone. I do it. Before I go to the app, I don't carry phone.
You don't call.
Victorio, I don't reach you. See where I did now.
Yes.
Hilary Ojan, so you know, I they come out. I don't land.
Exactly.
You tell me, say, thank God.
Exactly.
So Victorio, maybe we'll take our from there.
Well, when matter like this, or now they put government, state or federal,
Or local government.
Or local government, they talk.
This kind of matter.
They talked about their matter. The question I will continue to ask, when you look at the meaning of government,
Really?
then now come check whether we they do or our government they do what think government supposed to do. My brothers, is NIN when they do so. You know what they supposed to do?
You never tell us.
May I tell you? BVN, I saw they put on. Like saying a war. But today, that one don't rest. Everybody wey be say e get BVN. If they want do this thing, the only way we be say e for take easy. The people wey get BVN, any person wey get BVN, everything that about that person, e dey the system. Now they take one. You know, in a civilized country, now if police they work, they work hand with the people where they in charge of communication. That is why if they want track any person, you know they had them to do. Now only this country, now I see say police they do their own. Army.
They do their own. I don't know the security agencies.
Yes.
Civil defense.
They do their own. Yes.
Immigration.
They form their own boozley for one side.
Call immigration officers now. Tell them, say me they tell you the numbers of people who enter this country.
Within the last 100 days.
Too plenty.
Too
Only
plenty.
yesterday.
Yeah, only yesterday night.
Yesterday night come today. How many people enter the country?
May they give you the data. They no go fit. So all this one, may I see and say na busybody. Busybody. Because year in, year out, the only thing, whether state or federal, go bring come out, say they want do, na to punish the citizen of this country. Now, when you move from one center to another,
For this NIN, this thing they do.
now then you go know the suffer where citizens of this country they pass through. You understand what I tell you? These people when they bring out all these things where they say they go do so, their pikin go dey inside house.
They'll do. I can't give them.
They'll bring machine, can't give them for.
They'll bring machine come do one for
Would they say
them.
that even for
yes.
election for the registration?
Of course, yes. Yes.
But the people wey be say if they pay tax, they work hard, they gather money till they pay tax. And the something wey una supposed to just do give them with ease for days, for months, they go suffer. So I come back the way I take start. Wetin be government?
Wetin be the definition of
government.
Wetin be the primary purpose of government?
Of government.
Yes.
Wetin be the meaning of government?
Well, my brother, even as we go to relate the togetherness of COVID-19 and registration of national identification number inside we country, we go also dey look into the issues where they come up from every of the centers across Edo State, the ones where I reach here. On Tuesday we did radio for Rush Hour. We try to analyze situation of this country when even federal government don't conclude plan now to begin borrow money from dormant accounts and dividends where they not collect. Other callers begin to bring in NIN matter.
Because that one,
The day on record now say most of the centers where they register this matter, they collect between 2,000 to 10,000 naira.
I get gist for that one.
Say wetin I talk, you not
When they
correct.
talk and they go, I go tell you what I know about that.
About that one, okay.
But me, I don't. Not be saying because they call. I don't waka go there.
Okay, sir. Me also waka go. You see, why should federal government at the first place risk our lives inside COVID-19 to go do NIN? Then two, why should the federal government not provide everything for these operations to go smoothly?
Like putting only 2 computers at them and they take
For all the millions of people with that local government or the environment
or the
center. So even the NIMC staff, we hear inside last week say they strike. After 1-2 days, they call back. You hear what he does
for 2 things.
for 2 things. Say
They know they protect.
the man say if I am dying at all, let me die for something. So at this time now you go tell me say na COVID-19 na it kill me when me on my own I suppose I know what to do, but you wey be federal government wey send me message, the protective equipment wey you bring, they say is either you not bring at all or the one wey you bring in the next 30 minutes you come back on retrieve am from us. Abi those people dey lie? Na lie dem lie. Now when they know your face, now according to the information we get, now they'll collect 2,000. Some they pay 5. I know what you want to talk now, say that they use on the buy fuel, that they use on the service things. Except say you get contrary.
I get contrary
views to this one, but this now waiting we hear say they happen around the center.
You see, okay, that now waiting you hear.
Yes.
Waiting me I see. Now I go tell you now. I took my time and go to a go.
Okay.
There because this complete don't they come at the year for man around town.
Number one corporate.
Wait first at the year for man around town, at the year for rush hour. People who call us inside this program here to talk about this thing. I can't go there, I can't go check and say, my brother. People did when they collect the money. They did there when they collect the money. But I can't discover say there be staff of the local government. But there not be people where they say they work for NIMSI. You get me so? It's like one unit for ITV that news department they do something. When the news department do something, somebody come from other departments. So you don't say all of us will know each other. You can say, okay, Hillary come from other department, come say, my brother Sadon, are you there for news? I mean, help me do this thing. You don't understand? If people they go help me do and my brother and get the thing and the rest. That is the level where they use. You understand me that? That the people will be saying they based on say all of them, they work together, they'll call the user. The money is not getting directly to those people. I'll tell you why. Now I meet one Mrs. Zerigi. Are they call names now?
Yeah, go ahead.
I meet one Mrs. Zerigi when we say they for the
council staff are be
now NIMSI staff.
NIMSI staff. Okay.
You understand? He tells us say you see people they call the do this thing that he doesn't know one or two people. She came out and was shouting at the top of her voice that she was going to hold all this thing, not go do them again. Make the local government chairman may come meet and say yes, she know they do again because she be the head there. You understand? That you don't discover say some people there will be say they not be their staff because they are standing for inside that place there. Because not be they go outside and go collect the money. So if you go there, some of us when this our body they even prepare us do that kind of thing. I register my name. I go bring my own come here next week. We won't discuss her. I registered my own about 3 years ago. No rush. Where a base we did where we say at this hour now the fuck on the road. At a point, these people they go inside market. I even saw them too. No, I don't see them. I hear them too. They go inside market. They beg people say, "Make una call register," because federal government give the target that I say they must register nothing less than 50 people every day. You hear me so?
Yeah, they hear
nobody come out. Even some people that beside me, they look and say, "What if that one be the what that they do?" That say they tell us say, "Do this one before, do this one before, do this one before." I don't go blame them because I'm waiting. The pattern when the federal government already build. Now be done and say, do this one at the end of the day, don't do anything.
They're not getting it when they use.
You understand? Even this one, I mean, see the photo. So we could put all of the side by side. One, go register since you refuse to go. Now today, you yourself, you know, oh, you can crab it. That's why I say, this I just figure 1 or 2 naira may help me do one. That be the thing. So I go beg people what we say they in charge. When they look round.
No, never beg them. Thomas never beg them because I said that they collect money just now. I said this man a father. You say no, say now you go.
No, now.
No, Oga, wait now.
I say not be the staff of NIMSI they collect the money.
Oga, I mention person name
You don't
say
mention
they
person
collect
name,
money.
you don't
I said then they collect money from 2,000 to 10,000.
Before they register them.
And now you can tell me now say
Before
not be
they register
NIMSI
them.
staff.
Yes.
Now local government staff wey they are long throat dey for money.
Yes.
Because them be the owner of the local government. Because now they be governor, younger brothers. Now they be local government best friend. Local government.
Do you know say this thing?
We dey come.
Do you know say you see man I tell you I meet Mrs. Zerigi when I call the name.
Yes.
I advise her. I said go and meet the local government chairman. Go and tell her. Maybe I get maybe I did that.
Yes.
I said go and tell her. Maybe she's not aware of this thing. For the benefit of the doubt.
Yes.
Maybe she's not aware. You go and tell her. This is what some people are doing around there, whether they are staff or not. Why they nab anybody, they nab them. So they go fortify the security. That was yesterday they tell the woman.
Brother Thomas.
Listen now, So that any person when they see you do that kind of thing, make they arrest them. Because we don't say, you don't have for that center and for so many other centers.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So I don't use so as
example.
So I go call the local government chairman, even after this, at the end of this session now, come and say, how far with this business? Because if they draw the name of the place, they go back. Because me said that must make a good report to her too.
She never hear since.
I know, you know your talk. I said that was yesterday.
They always talk. I grow for where elderly people dey.
No, me grow for.
No, you still grow. I know you.
As an old man,
No,
I dey grow with children.
No, Oga, see.
I dey grow with children.
Wetin I wan talk be say, elderly man when he talk 2 words, he make 1 parable.
Yeah.
When he talk 6 words, he make 3 parable. Which no dey kill without the knowledge of Iroko tree. So whether you want say this one not there, will not be there. Now local government there, all of them dey inside the local government premises.
You don't hold meeting with me.
Which can question that?
Now question I ask you. You say which not the key without the knowledge of
Iroko tree.
How you tell no? You don't go there. You been which? You don't the toilet.
You dey hear question wey dey ask you.
You dey ask me now.
How be question I ask you? You dey fly. How you tell no?
But man, I tell you, say some of make you know say some of all this proverb or parable that time, many of them not get relevant for today.
This one no, you not get it. You know wetin you relate am to now.
No, I say many of them not.
Okay, now wetin you relate am to?
Because now they told us that time say na person wey take teeth take cut meat.
Na I know the one with big pass. Whether the one dey inside mouth and na true.
May give am meat. May come here and give am meat make e cut am. May tell me the one big pass.
Because if you cut am finish, bring the one dey inside mouth come out.
Make I cut meat. May I give am make e cut
I
am.
think we dey talk here. Say with police officers when they dey road those days before SARS protest, say that they collect money. We dey talk. Na that time na because we don't interface with all these people. We don't even go stations at times to make soften some issues where we see say not get bearing. Right. We dey see how the whole matter dey conclude. We dey see how the whole matter dey conclude. So e no get anybody wey wan tell me, even the federal government no fit tell me. Say everything that happens around the premises of the local government, the authority,
or the
centers, everything that happens around the center, say the operatives, they not get knowledge, or the authority not get knowledge of them.
It's okay. Make we take just a small break. Don't forget so many things that they when we say we go talk about this matter. We go see expatiate and when we say they go. We go talk matter when we say concern security. And make we say we put them out. What we say federal government they do about them because that matter when we say yes. If you open Nigeria newspaper every day, every page when you say you open, you must see matter when we say concern security. Or if you watch television anytime when we say you must see matter when we say concern security. So we can't look the new vigilante group when they bring come out, we'll see what they do. And even said the other day they cast some people for inside one community when we say no far from us here, where they call Okun community with guns and the rest. Those people say they be hunter. On that man land they hunt, who give you gun or license to hunt. These are some of the matter when we'll talk about when we'll come back. Don't go anywhere. The name of the program, Good Morning from Benin. Stay with us. We see the waka they go for the program, and today all our things they want to say they talk about could they concentrate on security. On Monday, if I don't make mistake, now we see say yes, some things happen for inside the home community. We can't run reach there, and for not to happen, we see yes, there were 5 young men. They see some things there for their hand. When I say some things, I mean guns, charms, different kind of bullets, or when I call ammunition for their hand. This matter called the maker they do can say, what it be all this one? We put it for Okun in conjunction with the Edo Joint Vigilante Group, and they catch these people. So because they see them for inside the bush with different ammunition. This is what matter we want to look at now. And the thing we want to look at now is say, how managed they enter the bush? What they do for inside the bush and all of that? Why they carry those kind and to real, you see they here, you see and say yesterday they catch those people that day, you see them on television. And the rest. You see this man be say call for a do joint. We even ask them the question and say, wait them now. Say they don't carry them and give police. I want me to come out from there.
Give who now?
Say they give police. Stay CID and say you talk.
Okay. Tomorrow you will see them for outside.
Why you talk like that?
Huh?
Why you talk like that?
Now wait till they happen. If you ask police why it be like that, police go tell you say me you go ask court. Court go say go ask police. Because the claim of court be say the charges wey
They
dey
take bring them come.
come.
Now they'll take walk on.
Na dem take dey work. Police go say na lie, say dem don go see DPP. Na DPP na a right to court say dem no get case to answer.
But again, one thing they support, they say they don't be thieves, they don't be robbers, they be hunters.
Hunter na court to size dem take dey do hunting. Na court to size. You first stay village before.
I still village.
You stay village. The village where you stay, where you don't know, you don't see any hunter.
We even know some hunters among ourselves.
So you don't see the type of gun when they use.
But they still get that long one too.
And the long one join.
So the long one are to
short
disguise. Say they be hunter. The big one, the small one, now to operate. Daytime, they will dey inside bush as hunter. Night, they will dey outside as an armed robbers. So now be wetin you see.
People they went busy for Okunda, they say they be suspected kidnappers. They be suspected people that went busy, they cause mayhem for the area and all of that. That kind of a thing. They see gun for their hands, see cause society, charms, see some even bullets, you know, and all of that. Where that one leave us for this?
First and foremost, my brother, I want to thank the Okun youths and in conjunction with the Edo Joint Vigilante Group. We show now say if we continue in this pace, we will feel subdued the insecurity we will be with us. But for also to reason say, as we dey community, just behind us inside the bush where we build house back, other people dey inside will not be of our extension. We not dey speak the same language with us.
One never know.
We don't know say you did there.
Or I not give them permission to
How
stay
can
there.
you be an hunter in my bush? Did you see my nogi? You see my ohen? You see my ojowere? We give you approval, say okay, go hunt for so place.
But they say they get approval that say they
Who
get
give the approval?
from Kano State.
That is from Kano. Now Kano is the governor of Kano, overseeing Edo by extension. Which can talk be all those ones?
No, now what did they talk? Now they tell you now.
Me they tell you now say now the governor of Kano, now they govern Edo State. If you say you get permission from state governor, I'll say Edo State government. I say okay, now governor give them license. How can you be saying that Kano? So this one are the issues where the court and the police supposed look into.
It's okay, we'll make they look them, as they say they're going to look into them and everything. We'll say, we'll take small bit more, drink some more water, or we'll come back and continue for where we say we stop. Because we need to clear this straight away, so we'll talk this matter, we're not going anywhere, stay with us.